In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a link from a PDF in I Love PDF. First, let's begin by opening I Love PDF. You can do this by typing the web address into your browser or by searching for I Love PDF in your search engine. Once the website loads, you'll be greeted by a clean and user-friendly interface. This is important because a straightforward layout will help you navigate easily through the options available. Once you are on the home page, you will see various tools for editing PDFs. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will set the stage for the tasks you will perform next. Now that you have I Love PDF open, the next step is to select Edit PDF. Look for the Edit PDF option on the home page. It is typically prominent and easy to find. Clicking on this option will direct you to a new page specifically designed for editing your PDF files. This is crucial because it allows for direct manipulation of text, images, and links within your PDF document. Once you select this, you will notice a new interface that is focused on editing features. This clarity helps streamline your editing process. With that ready, the next step is to upload your PDF file. You will see a button labeled Select PDF File or Upload PDF. Click on it and a file dialog will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer's files. Choose the PDF file you want to edit, and once selected, it will begin uploading. This step is significant as it brings your document into the editing environment. You will see a progress indicator that shows the upload status. Just a moment, and your file will be ready to edit. Now, let's click on the link or annotation you want to remove. After your PDF is uploaded, it will display on the screen. Look for the specific link or annotation you want to delete. When you hover over it, it should highlight, clearly showing that it is selected. Clicking on the link is essential because it tells the program exactly which element you want to modify. Once you've clicked on the link, you'll notice that it is now highlighted, confirming your selection. Next up, press delete or click the trash icon if available. If you see a trash can icon on the editing toolbar, that's a quick option to remove the link. Alternatively, you can press the delete key on your keyboard. This action is critical because it permanently removes the selected link from your document. You may see a brief confirmation or indication that the link has been deleted. This feedback reassures you that your editing is working as intended. After that, you can repeat this process for any other links you want to remove. If your document has multiple links, just click each one and delete them in the same manner. This repetition is important as it ensures that your PDF is exactly how you want it to be. Once you have removed all the unwanted links, you will feel more confident about the document's integrity. With all your links removed, click Edit PDF to save the changes. This action finalizes your edits and makes sure everything is stored correctly. You may see a prompt or notification that your changes are being saved. This step is crucial because it ensures that your hard work does not go to waste. Finally, download the edited PDF. Look for a download button or link on the screen. Click this button and your edited PDF will begin downloading to your device. This step is the last part of the process and it allows you to keep a copy of your work. Once the download is complete, you can open it to verify that all changes are in place. And that's it. You've successfully removed links from your PDF using I Love PDF. Enjoy your clean document.